Clinton, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
both love a peanut butter, mayo, and banana sandwich.
Mark used to bully both of us when we were younger. Cheers to them.
Journey for everybody here, except I think Nick and Nina. I think they had the shortest, a 2.5-hour drive. Again, thank you all so much for coming to celebrate Kayla and I's wedding this weekend. It's been a hell of a ride. Hopefully a lot of memories made. And again, I'll say it again and again. We love each and every one of you.